Yeah, there's a few bits I can do. I'm going to start this wall, but I'm not upping blocks up on my own. It's pointless. I might as well just wait till they get back. But I've got these here to finish off on there. These are loose. I need to get these on, drilled in. But these here, look, these go. So that's insulation in there, and then that goes up and round, because the regulations now, you have to have your insulation coming up and it's like a wrap round in one go, and then you have a air gap at back, look, and then back at there is the kingston that comes up from the cavity, so it all goes into one now. That's how they want it. Before I just used to shove some rock wool down, but we'll not bother. It might even, I think we have got, because we've only got 4 inch here, I think we've got to put 100 kingspan in a gap, so I might actually have to put a lat or something on that to keep me, you know, my air gap up there. So I think we have got to lat this bit, and then this bit will get, I'll just put wool up there. But yeah, then wool, I can get wool in there as well. But like them ends there, I think we might end up latting it or putting something on anyway, just to get it down that little bit. But yeah, I can crack on with these for now, and then we'll find something else to do. So these are alright, I can put, so I'll just put one in there. And then this drill bit here just fits perfectly in between all, so I don't have to move them back. So I just, there we go. It's as easy as that once I've pinned it. And then just shove them in. That's it, just tap plug in, start them off, tap plug into wall. That's that one done. That one done. So these lot, I can't get them in one piece, and if I cut straight, I can't, if I've got an half there, the other half won't go on the top, so it won't come down. So what we do is we just cut it on an angle like that, and then it gives us a lot of room to play with. So look, I wanted to have got that, it just won't go in. I've tried it. So what we do is we just get these like this, look, cut them like that, shove that back like that, and then because it's cut on an angle, it should go. So we just push that in. Oh god, I'm not even recording it. Push that in like that, look, like that, and we just put tape on. And that's it, lovely jubbly. Right, that bit's in. So I've got this, put a couple of relief cuts in. I'm going to try and get it into that. Right, that's it. I've got a bodgy piece up there. I'll stick some tape on that, make it right. There we go, that'll do it. It's cracked a little bit, but it's really crap, this stuff. It just shatters when you try and cut it, but let's cover that up on it. This is supposed to be an easy day. That is absolute armache. Oh, I'm putting these in, look. I had to get bolts in, so one at end, and then when you come round this side, I've got opposite. So there's a bolt there on the other side. There's a bolt there on the other side. And there's another bolt there on the other side, so there should be plenty. So I've like hit one, miss one. I've got other to do yet, and it's like 11 o'clock already. That just takes ages, but I might as well get it done, then it's out of the way, innit? Well, I got one in this side, and then start another one at drill bit's gone, so I need another drill bit. Totally gone, that one. It's no good, and I ain't got any more 10s. We've only gone, all holes we've done, we've only used 2 10mm bits, so one more should get these done. And I've run out of nuts as well. I've just been sat in car having my dinner, and a subscriber called Ian came over and had a look, and he says, "Oh, I thought it were you." And him and his wife watch us, so he's told me to give you a shout out, Sam. So hiya, Sam from Snaith. I think she lived in Pollerton at some point, so she spotted that we're here, and they've been watching a while. So hiya both. Hope you're both all right. But yeah, if you ever see me, any of you, feel free to come and say hi. I don't bite. I will talk to you. But yeah, struggling to find things to do now.
I don't even need a thing on that, do I?
Joint, yeah. Yeah, joint it. It's all going to be filled in. Can you hit it like that? Yeah. Get your end in first if you want. You got it in? So shove that brick off a bit on there.
That's how I feel while you move it.
Yeah, get a spread on it. Alright, yeah. Good. That other way. Alright. That's it, I'll get the rest of these cut. I'll just cut them to see how it go. Right, I've got these little cuts done. I'm thinking if I put a brick, that plate will go to the top of there, and then that will give me 460. So a brick, 2 course plate, should get me to the top. That saved a lot more cuts, hasn't it? Stop plating, just need a little bit more down there. Well, sure, man. Well, that's it for now. Today we've got some lead and stuff coming tomorrow. If it comes early, get on lead. If not, back in here finishing this off. See you in the morning. Back today. He's got rid of the runs. And someone else has turned up. I'm going to show you now. When I get down these ladders. And we've got inspector coming today. We've got lead coming today. So he can pass that roof off, hopefully. Who's this guy here? Who's this guy here? Mikey's turned up.
Alright, buddy, how you doing?
Not bad, mate. Well, can you not bees? We're just getting these blocks in here. Mike's just got his drone up, so we might have some drone footage later on. That job. Yeah, this is a hard bit, getting all these blocks up here. We only need about 40. So So this here I've got to take up to this beam here. I'll leave that bit down, don't need that, and then that'll go up. So we're just missing these bits, but I think what we're going to do is we're going to save this while Friday, because it's going to rain again, like it does at the end of every week. That's what I've got missing up there. I'm going to leave like a little joint in here, maybe there, an hole, and then they can put cables through there instead of drilling it out. And then what I might put some straps down here just to odd this little bit here. But yeah, we really need to start tidying up down there as well. But we've got, like I said, we've got lead coming, we've got inspector coming, so hopefully he can pass all this off, which would be great. Setting some pictures the other day, he says he's going to come out anyway. But yeah, he seems to be happy, so should be good. Yeah. Well, we might have to save these while Friday. Can't even see it, it's that high. Wow, I'm talking over this bit. Just editing it, he's just sent me it. Looks massive, doesn't it? I put this on Instagram the other day, so if you're wanting to see little bits before we actually put the video out on the Sunday, go and subscribe to the Instagram channel. It's just Mark Hepp, I think. But yeah, we put little bits on, and so you can see it before we put main video on. Look at that. That house is going to be a big one, isn't it? I mean, scaffold's up at minute, but it certainly looks big. Cheers for that, Mike. Yeah, it's a mess in there. Yeah. Got Mike doing a bit of digging, look. Doing a bit of graft.
I'm only doing it for the camera.
Yeah. Inspector's just been and passed it all off, so we're ready to go with all roof tiles and everything else. Well, till it's pretty much done now, so yeah, all good. Another day gone. Got that out, and most of that, just that little bit, needs digging out, and then this is ready for hardcore. And that's it. Mike's done a day. He will be back though when we plaster him, because he's going to help me out skimming.
Yeah.
For a week.
Get some plaster thrown on the board.
Show me how to plaster.
Yeah, I'll show you how to do it. We'll win the firefight for sure.
What's your thing, Mike?
What do I think?
No, what's your YouTube?
Oh, my channel, Kingston Home Maintenance.
Go and subscribe.
Yeah, please.
So you will be seeing him again pretty soon. As soon as we get this roof on.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a smaller pallet than this one, right? But better just to get them up there, and then we can just, I'll just throw them up there anyway.
Just getting a few of these on the roof. Walking them over a bit. Yeah, looking good. Yeah, we've got a few loaded out. We've got another pallet downstairs, but we're not getting them up. I'm gonna what I'm going to do is I'm going to get those EV trays on here, and then we'll might lay a few. It's about 1 o'clock now, like, but I just want to get a little bit down, see what it looks like. Oh, I managed to get them on this afternoon. We've got to load out, we're nearly out of tiles again. Tomorrow's alright, I'll duct lead in, they can duct other side. If it's not, we're going to be inside lane block. It's raining, so we just put in these really awkward bits in. I don't think I'm going to get it. Oh, I am. I'm just putting these in. I'm finishing this off because it's raining. Well, it keeps stopping. We could be on roof, but I mean, what's the point? We're nice and dry in here. Yeah, that'll load that, which is good. And that'll do us for that, I reckon. Point it up. Oh, that's it. I forgot to do an outro, so I'm in the car. I've just got home and I'm in the car, so I thought I'd do one now. Today ended up in a bit of a disaster. Went for dinner, ripped the exhaust off Josh's car, so it's blowing like mad now. Potholes it was. But yeah, so if you want to see any more of us in a video on Monday, go check out Mike's channel, because I think he's putting his video on when he did a tour around, and when we were digging out. So if you want to go see that, go visit Mike's channel. I'll put it up here so everybody can see it. Kingston it is, home maintenance, it's up there. But yeah, that is it. So I will catch you in the next one. We're going to be tiling, getting them tiles in. I've got lead to do, and I've still got something to do on that back where the parapet wall is, and you know, that gutter tray thing. So still got that to sort out. But yes. So don't forget to like, subscribe, drop us a comment, hype, all that stuff. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.